this video, we'll be doing a different type of problems. Okay, where we'll be forming capacitor circuit, and we are given with a plates. Okay, you will understand this later. Okay, when we'll be doing the problems. Okay, so taking our first example here, plates are given. Okay, capacitor plates are given. Okay, suppose this is a plate 1, 3, 4. Okay, these two plates, they are joined and having potential V dash. Okay, now we need to form and one more thing, this is plate B. Okay, you can say this is a point A, point B. We need to find equivalent capacitance between A and this is point A, or you can say the point which is connected to a plate second, and this is a point B. Okay, now you need to form circuit and then find equivalent capacitor and charge on the plates. Okay, so first thing, you just mark 2 points A. Okay, now you see that this plate number 2 and plate number 1, they are forming a capacitor. Just connect it. The plate number 2, this is plate number 1, they are forming a capacitor. Okay, now this plate number 2 and plate number 3, they are also forming a capacitor. Okay, and plate number 3 and plate number 4, they are also forming a capacitor. Okay, now if you look that plate number 4 and plate number 1, they are having same potential. That means this plate number 2 and 1, they are connected like this one, and this plate number 4 and plate number 3, this will be connected like this. Why so? Because plate number 1 and 4 are having same potential, and plate number 2 and 3, 2 and 3, they will be connected somewhat like this, because see here the potential will be so plate this is a plate 2. Okay, the plate 2 and plate 2, they both are same plates. Okay, so they will be having same potential. Okay, and this one, plate 3 and plate 3, this will also be having same potential. Okay, now your circuit is complete. Okay, in the question, this length is d, distance you can say, and area is a, it is also given. So what will be the potential of 1 and 2? Oh sorry, capacitance of 1 and 2, it will be epsilon naught a by t. This will also be epsilon naught a by t, and this will also be epsilon naught a by t, right? So what you are seeing in here, that capacitor C and C, they are in series and they both are in parallel. So equivalent capacitance between A and B will be C by 2 plus C. Why C by 2? Because these two will combine to form equivalent capacitance C by 2. So this will be 3 by 2 C, and your C value is epsilon naught A by. So this will be your equivalent capacitance. By this way you can also find the charges. Okay, if you see that potential difference between A and B, if you consider it B, okay, between A and B, what will the potential difference? Let's say this is a point O. What will be potential difference between A and O? Will be V by 2 obviously, and between these it will also be V by 2. Okay, so the charge on the capacitor, it will be Q equal to C into V. Capacitance is epsilon naught A by D, and potential difference is V by 2. That means epsilon naught A by D, this will be the charge on plate number 2. Similarly, on plate number 1, it will be minus epsilon naught A by D, A to V on 2D, because opposite charges are opposite faces of capacitor facing surfaces will have opposite and equal charge. Now one more question I am giving you. See, you will understand this problem only by solving questions. Okay, one more question I am giving you. There are four plates. Okay, these two are connected, having potential E. These two are connected. The point A, this is a point B. Potential, you can say 0. Okay. Now, you need to find equivalent capacitance between A and B. And these are the four plates. 1, 3, and 4. Okay. This distance is D. This is also D. This is also D. They are equidistant. Okay. And the plate area is okay. So, see, uh, you just need to point 2 points that are given A and B. Just mark it here, A and B, and you just need to join capacitors. Okay. Now, point A, this is a point A. Let's say its potential is Z. Okay, and point B, its potential is 0. So if you see that 1 and 2, that means plate number 1 having potential V, it is connected and forming capacitor with plate number 2. This is the 1, this is the 2, having potential 0. That means this plate is connected to B. You can see from here, plate number 2 is connected to here. Okay. Now again, now we have formed 1 and 2. Now 2 and 3, 3 is connected to point A. That means this will be 3. And 2 is connected to point B. So we have joined 2 and 3. Now try to draw the third one. How will you draw the third one? Plate number 3 is connected to A. This means this will be A. And plate number 4, it is connected to B. This will be plate number 4. This will be your equivalent circuit. Okay. Now you can easily find out the equivalent capacitance. Suppose its capacitance is C, C, C. Since they all are equidistant and having same area. Okay. So your equivalent capacitance will be C plus C plus C. That means 3C. And C will be epsilon naught A by. So this will be your equivalent capacitance. C epsilon naught A by C. Okay. Now I am giving you one more problem. Plate A1, plate number 2, plate number 4. You can take any number of plates. Okay. I'm just doing it for this is a plate 1, 4. See, plate number 1 and 3, they are connected and having potential V dash. This plate, this is point A and having potential V. The point B having potential 0. This is given in the question. Now you need to find equivalent capacitance between A and B. Right. Now you just need to mark 2 points, the point A, the point B, and join the capacitors. Okay. Now if you see the 2, the plate number 2 having potential V, and this is your point A, you just need to draw 2, and then 1. 1 is having potential V dash, the point 1. You have drawn it. Okay. Now you draw 2 and 3. Okay. So 2 is connected to A, plate number 2. This is 2. 3, which is having potential V dash. You have joined it. Okay. So 3. And potential at here is V dash. Right. Just a second. Now we have drawn 1 and 2. We have drawn 2 and 3. Now we need to draw 3 and 4. So how will you draw 3 and 4? 3, which is having potential V dash. That means This is a plate number 3 and 4 which is having potential 0 which is connected to point B. This will be your modified circuit. Okay, capacitance C, this is C, this is C. Now you can find equivalent capacitance easily. How will you find? These two are in parallel, so their equivalent will be 2C, and this is in series with C. 2C into C upon C plus, that means 2 by 3C. That means 2 by 3 epsilon naught A by T. Right. So this was our how will you do these type of problems? Okay. Practice more problems on these types. Okay. Thank you.